Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Hamizan bin Muhafiz and my metric number is 211093370. Alright, today I will be presenting on the topic of creating better world through sustainable development for future generation. We explore what sustainable urban development means, why it's important, and what Malaysia is doing to achieve this vision. SDG 11 is all about making cities safe, inclusive and sustainable. To achieve this, nation needs to improve public transport to reduce traffic and pollution, build more affordable homes for low-income families, create more green space like parks and gardens, and strengthen flood protection system. These steps will help make our cities more livable and resilient for everyone. Sustainable development must involve the people who live in these cities. Community involvement is essential. Local residents should take part in planning process, ensuring that development respect historical and cultural sites and align with local needs. This approach ensures that cities are not only functional but also culturally rich and inclusive. Malaysia is already taking steps to support sustainable development. The government has incorporated sustainability into national plan, promotes smart city concepts, and support environmentally friendly urban planning. These efforts reflect the country's commitment to building future-ready cities. However, success requires a collective effort. Governments, business, and community must work hand in hand. A shared and fair approach is the key to building better cities for everyone. It's not just the responsibility of policymakers. Every sector has a role to play.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Iwanina Zafira binti Khairul, and I will present the opportunity to achieving SDG 11. The first one is government action, such as 12 Malaysian Plan 2021 to 2025 to support better urban living, and investment in public transport to reduce traffic and pollution. Second one is smart city project, the use of apps and technology to manage transport, traffic and services. Third, green building. Green building index GBI encourages energy efficient building. Fourth, digital tools such as sensors and data system help to detect floods and traffic in real time, faster response and better decision making. Fifth, public involvement. Online platform and community programs promote inclusive planning. Next is the challenges to achieving SDG 11. The first one is rapid urban growth. Cities like Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru and Penang are expanding fast. This will put pressure on housing, transports and basic services. Second, urban problems such as air and water pollution, traffic jams, poor waste management, shortage of affordable housing, and illegal housing areas without clean water or electricity. Third, climate change. Frequent floods due to heavy rain, urban heat affecting the poor and elderly. And fourth, city planning issue. The outdated laws and weak coordination among agencies.
Hi, my name is Nur Izzati binti Nurizan. I will present about Malaysia's effort and data related to SDG 11, which is Sustainable Cities and Communities. The government has taken major steps through the National Affordable Housing Policy to support low and middle income families and the Smart City Framework to enhance city planning with technology. The Department of Statistics Malaysia reports strong performance in urban access to water and sanitation at over 98%, but public transport use in the Klang Valley remains low, around 20%. However, challenges persist, including unequal enforcement of planning rules, weak institutional capacity in some areas, and limited access to service for marginalized communities. Rural to urban migration also adds pressure to city infrastructure. Other contributors include NGOs and the private sector through Green Initiative and CSR, while individuals support progress by using public transport and engaging in community efforts. Overall, achieving SDG 11 in Malaysia requires a world of society approach, which is combining policy, innovation and collaboration. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and good day. My name is Muhammad Mimir Rizwan. Today I will present about engineering-based recommendation to support the sustainability development goal 11, that is sustainable cities and communities. Firstly, is a smart planning tool. To build smart cities, we recommend to use GIS, that is Geographic Information System, and BIM, Building Information Modeling. There is allow planners to simulate cities layout before construction begins. That is we reduce cost mistake and preserve a space to the environment. Dan there is can enable more efficient, sustainable to the urban development. Next is green infrastructure. Integrate eco-friendly infrastructure is essential. System like biospheres help absorb rainwaters, while pavement mitigates flood risk. Additionally, green roof not only a cool urban space but also enhance city aesthetic. That is making cities livable and beautiful. And then next is smart transport solutions. There is modernizing urban mobility. There is like smart traffic lights, electric bus, and real-time drivers apps to improve efficiency and reduce carbon emissions. Moreover, to promoting the transit-oriented development (TOD), there is a home, office, and shops that is located near to the public transports. That will encourage less car dependency and fosters to inclusive urban growth. Next is about modern construction methods. We propose shifting towards modular and prefabricated construction methods. That is faster to assemble, generate less waste and support cleaner building practice. This approach align with Industry 4.0 principles and complies with CITP, that is Certified Industrialized Building System Business. That is standard ensure for ready development. And lastly is lifelong learning and collaboration. To sustain the progress, engineers must continuously update their knowledge and skills. That is currently image the technologies and industry standards. Collaboration with university and institution like IEM, that is Institution of Engineers Malaysia, are critical for knowledge exchange, innovation and cultivation for a ready professional project.
In conclusion, Malaysia face many urban challenges: traffic, pollution, flood, and housing shortage. But this can be overcome with strategic planning and collaboration. The 12th Malaysia Plan and Smart City Framework provide a solid foundation. Engineers, NGO, business and citizens all play important roles in using smart tools and be designed to improve urban living. Together, we can create cities that are safer, greener, and more livable for generations to come. Thank you for your attention. Let's continue working together toward a more sustainable and inclusive future for all. Thank you.